Hi, this is Ramin from Trading with Venus. Let's take a look at some of the trades from Trade Vault. These are the trade ideas from yesterday. This is Euro US dollar daily chart. So we had looked at this trade idea yesterday. There was a nice pin bar here and we were looking for price to drop. And as you know, if you are a member of the Trade Vault, you actually get my spreadsheet. This is the forecast spreadsheet or watch list that we had looked at yesterday. So for euro dollar, we were looking at market direction to the downside. So we were looking for it to drop. Our daily setup here was a bearish pin bar, which you see right here. This is one of my favorite trade setups because it's only one candle. So this is the most simple trade setup that you will ever find out there. So this is a bearish pin bar trade setup and we're looking for price to drop. Our target here was 1.1150 and as you can see, this is exactly where price is currently. So our target was reached. And as you can see, the total number of pips are 59 for this pair. So Euro US dollar gave us 59 pips yesterday based on our trade setup. Another one that we looked at was Aussie US dollar. Again, this is a daily chart. This one also had a bearish pin bar trade setup. And if you take a look at our watch list here, we had said that bias is to the downside, so our market direction is to the downside. Again, we had a bearish pin bar, which is this candle right here. This was our yesterday's close for the day, and we were looking for price to drop. Our target here was 0.6995, and this is exactly where price went to today, 0.6995. That was our first target here. So our bias was to the downside. In this case, the total number of pips for this pair were 38 that we got today based on our analysis that we did last night. Third pair that we looked at was New Zealand US dollar. Here as well, we have a bearish pin bar trade setup. And if we go back to our spreadsheet here, we were looking for New Zealand US dollar to drop. Our bias is to the downside and the trade setup that we have here is bearish pin bar. So this nice bearish candle here was our trade setup and we were looking to take a trade. And our target here was 0.6720 and second target was 0.6700. As we can see here, this one actually got to our second target here. So right now the price is at 0.6699. So we are just the 1 pip below the 0.6700 level. So all of these pairs went right into our target that we had looked at yesterday. So this is the benefit of taking a simple trade setup and then we can look at the market direction, do our preparation, and then trade the plan. So overall, between the three pairs, the total number of pips that we got were 59 from the euro dollar, 38 from Aussie dollar, and then we have 56 from a New Zealand dollar. So overall, number of pips were 153 pips. So if you're interested in the Trade Vault, what we do is we get on a market call. It's a live daily market analysis call held every Monday to Thursday. We take a look at over 20 different forex pairs, also Bitcoin, commodities, as well as the indices. And there we come up with where our bias is. So we saw that for euro dollar, our bias was to the downside, as well as for Aussie and New Zealand dollar. So we'll find the market direction. Then we take a look at the target levels as well. And you will get all of that information in the spreadsheet, the watch list that I will send out for you every single day. For each pair that we analyze, we look at potential entry and profit targets. And you will also be part of a private Facebook group where I will put my market commentary and trade ideas from time to time, as well as you will have access to me directly in order to ask questions. If you'd like to join me, click on the link below. Have a wonderful trading day and I'll see you next time.